Hey friends, if you encounter the error this product installation has been corrupted, then the only option you have is to reinstall Microsoft Office and there is no other option. So close all Microsoft Office products, right click on the start button, select settings on the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps in the right pane, scroll down to Microsoft Office, click on the three dots associated with it, select uninstall, click on uninstall once again, and then select the option to uninstall. This will need a while to remove Microsoft Office. Once this is done, open any browser and then go to the Microsoft Office page, Microsoft 365 page, better said. Okay, it's office.com basically. The website is office.com. Sign into it with your account. Okay, and once you sign into the account, you can click on your icon here and select Microsoft account, and then wait for it to load. Go to services and subscriptions, then scroll down, and let's say I have this subscription, this Office home and student subscription. I will click on install and then I'll click on install, and it will download the file, and I need to click on this file to install Office on my system. Now I cannot install it right now because it's still uninstalling, but you have to click on it and then it will install Office on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.